Hi everyone, this is T. Dinesh Kumar. In this video, I'm going to give you a small demonstration on how to use Google Meet live stream. So go to Google Chrome browser. In the Google Chrome browser, type Google Calendar. Click on the calendar of Google. Then we should sign in with the institutional ID. So my ID is this, so I'm signing in with that. I assume that today, as of now, I have a class and I'm scheduling an meeting now, and in that meeting I'm going to present a live streaming. So I click it on the time. After clicking on the time, I give a title for that. I give Google Meet live stream demo, and give I can give the participants lists, or I can invite guests and I add it to Google Meet video conferencing. So I click this. This is how to schedule a Google Meet also, and I save it. So since I have a meeting now, I'm clicking on the meeting, or if the meeting is scheduled on another day, just go simply to the Google Calendar on the particular date and click on the Google Meet ID. So then it will ask for join with Google Meet. So click it on join with Google Meet. It will take you to Google Meet. So where we need to check whether it is our institutional ID. I have enabled a class, Google Attendance class, so it is showing here. So I am turning off my camera for my convenience. So then here there are 3 dots in the slide. So click on that. We have an option called add an in-house live stream. So click over that, add in an in-house live stream. So immediately when we click on that, we get an dialog box or an intimation that in-house live stream with an ID. So we can copy this ID and send it to the participants whom we want to give a live stream, or we can go into the meeting now. I would like to go into the meeting since the meeting is scheduled now. So I go further. I tick on the attendance. I want to take attendance who all are entering my meeting. So I tick it. Now you can see that there is an option being started. The organizer scheduled this meeting to be streamed. I can start streaming or I can close. So since I want to live stream, I can start streaming here. It will ask, is everyone okay with streaming this? Make sure everyone is ready to start streaming this meeting. So start streaming. So if I give start streaming and symbol live will appear, it will take some 5 to 10 seconds for appearing live. So live is on. Now I can go to this meeting details. I can see the meeting ID information and the streaming URL. So I can copy this streaming URL. I'll go to chat box. So whoever comes into the meeting can also use this. I put it in the chat box. The students whoever enters into the meeting can also view or also attend the class using this live streaming. And for further enhancements, I am going to this people. I am going to take the host control. So click on host control. it will ask an option, let everyone share their screen. So I am disabling it. You can see also the host settings in this. Whichever we want, we can use it. So I'm clicking it. So now my meeting is on live. So then I can go for presenting. I go for present. I present the entire screen. I'm clicking share, enter, and whatever the presentation I have or whatever I want to share to the participants, I can share. For example, I would like to share this. So whatever I'm sharing here will be viewed on the live streaming. So how do I check that is, I go to the chat box, or I go to this, I can go to this copy streaming, or I can see in these three dots whether my live streaming is active or not. It is showing that live stream is active since stop streaming is appeared. I can record also by clicking the record meeting button. So now I want to go for to check whether my live streaming is going on. So I copy this live streaming, go to new tab, paste it, and I see. It will take some more time to live. Students can also see in the same way. They can copy the stream it, then they can open a new tab and paste it. Then always this will work with only institutional IDs within the domain, since it is an in-house live streaming. So I click it with the in-house meeting ID, user ID. It will take some time for streaming because the difference between the meeting and the live streaming is about some 5 to 10 seconds it will take. So whatever I am presenting in the meeting will be displayed. So live streaming is ready. So, so after completing my meeting, I can stop streaming by this button. I can click it and can stop the stop streaming, and I can see it. I can see the live streaming is still going on. I deleted my streaming, but streaming is still going on. It will take some 5 to 10 seconds. Thank you for watching.